guys, it's from Our Naturals and I am back with another video. I am super excited about this video because I will be reviewing Auntie Jackie's Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. So I've been using this for a few months and I thought I might just come here and tell you guys all about it. If you're interested, keep watching. So this is how the product looks, guys. It's a light yellow and it actually is quite thick to touch. I will be reviewing this product throughout this video and how I was able to achieve these beautiful mini twists just using this product for hydration and for sealing the moisture in as well. Alright, so the first thing, obviously up here on the product labels, it says use on dry or damp hair as needed, can be used daily, apply a small amount, rub in your palms together and apply all over hair, especially concentrating on your ends. With a wide tooth comb or a soft bristle brush, gently comb and brush through the hair. To optimize your hair care regimen, trim the ends of your hair once a month, yada yada yada. They go in to talk about what other products they have and the fact that they work better, the fact that this product works better with their other products, so the shampoo, the cold washer or the conditioning mask. Protective styles, new best friend, say goodbye to weak damaged ends, and we all want strong ends, obviously for length retention and less breakage, and chronically dry hair. So say goodbye to weak, damaged and chronically dry hair. Seal It Up delivers long-lasting hydration, helps to repair and strengthen damaged ends. It's got a whole lot of other things written on here. The first ingredient it has is water, so aqua, which is great. So I'm really happy about that. It also has soybean oil on the ingredient list, which is really good. So for those who don't know, for you to understand or to know what a product's gonna do for you, the first top 5 or so ingredients should tell you, what you get from this product. So obviously water in there and soybean oil, which is great, is a good sign with regards to what it should do. As it says it will hydrate the hair. It also has lanolin, it's got honey, it's got shea butter as well. And you guys know I'm a big lover, I'm a big fan of shea butter. So guys, on first look, this product is quite well labeled. It's got a lot of information on it. Just when you buy, even before you buy it, you know what ingredients will be in there, what it should do to your hair, how you're going to use it, which I really appreciate, because the worst thing is getting a product that you really don't know how it's going to work for your hair or what it's supposed to be doing. So I like that. I love that it's actually quite a thick consistency. If you've got type 4 hair, you know that thick, for most of us anyway, thick products work the best. So I like this product and the consistency that it has just on first look. I can't say it's the best product I've ever smelled, to be honest. Even when I've used it on my hair, the smell doesn't last that long, or the scent doesn't last that long. And it's not like a great smelling product. I've smelled better products. However, given what it does, I will tell you that the scent is just a small part of the spectrum. I've used this product for a few months, and when I bought it actually because I was doing a little bit of research about it, and I was looking for a product that can hydrate and also seal my hair, at the same time. I'm a lazy natural, and anything to cut the process up is great, stop me from spritzing my hair or putting a conditioner, then putting an oil or a butter. This product actually hydrates and seals your hair at the same time. These mini twists that you see me having right here, I actually did them with this product only. So freshly washed hair, and then I use this one to hydrate the hair or condition the hair, and then it actually seals the hair. So pretty much when you apply it to your hair, it feels like you're putting a conditioner on the hair. And then once, as you go on applying it to your hair, it almost starts to feel as though you've applied shea butter. Even the fingers that I just dipped in the container, they started off like a conditioner, but now it's like I put shea butter on my fingers, which I really love. It really shortens the amount of time you're dealing with hair into 2 or 3 products in one go. So this one will be great for twist outs, or if you just want to hydrate and seal your hair midweek, refresh your hair or anything like that, it would work perfectly. And if you're a lazy natural girl, you need to try this, because it's like 2 in 1, hydrate and seal at the same time. It also provides shine, and it leaves my hair really soft and shiny as well. And my hair is actually hydrated and sealed for a few days, so I don't need to do this every day. So for me, that means it's really effective as a hydration and sealing product. I don't know what other products there are out there that work similar to this one, but I'd like to hear from you guys what you're using. Is there other butters or products that are out there that do something similar to this one that have worked better for you? I will definitely be using this product long term. I will put some links below to where you can find it or where you can buy it online if you're interested in the product. And if you're interested in my style, this mini twist, I will also put a link above for you guys to check out. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. See ya.